January is not a slow gardening month. It is the month that separates gardeners who struggle all year from those who quietly harvest food non-stop. While most people wait for proper planting season, experienced growers are already locking in calories, resilience, and independence. The crops planted in January don't just grow. They establish dominance early, outcompete weeds, resist pests, and mature before problems even begin. Miss this window, and you spend the rest of the year catching up. Why January planting changes everything. Cold soil slows surface growth but supercharges root development. Plants started now invest energy underground, building strong root systems that explode once temperatures rise. This early root advantage means less watering later, fewer nutrients required, and faster recovery from stress. January planting is not about speed. It is about leverage. Potatoes that feed you for months. Potatoes planted in January produce earlier and bulkier tubers because they grow before heat stress arrives. Cooler soil encourages steady tuber formation instead of excessive leaf growth. Plant seed potatoes deep in loose soil and mulch heavily to stabilize temperature. These early potatoes become the backbone of food security because they store well and provide dense calories. Onions that grow without effort. Onions planted in January focus on root and bulb initiation instead of leaf size. This leads to larger, denser bulbs later. Early planting also reduces bolting because plants mature gradually instead of rushing through heat. Onions grown this way store longer and taste stronger. Garlic, builds itself underground. Garlic actually demands cold exposure to split properly. Planting in January triggers clove separation early, which leads to, larger heads. Each clove, interestingly, develops independently instead of competing for space. Garlic grown this way also produces more potent compounds that naturally repel pests. Broad beans, they just ignore the cold. These beans thrive in cool weather and honestly use winter moisture really efficiently. Planting in January allows them to flower before pest populations rise. The result is clean pods and heavy yields without any intervention. Their deep roots also improve soil structure for crops that follow. Peas, they climb ahead of problems. When peas are planted in January, they establish before aphids become active. Cooler temperatures actually improve sugar formation, making the pods sweeter. Early planting also means the vines finish before disease pressure peaks, reducing losses without the need for sprays. Spinach that never bolts. Spinach planted in January grows slowly and steadily, producing thick, nutrient-dense leaves. Cold conditions delay flowering, extending harvest windows dramatically. These plants continue producing even as temperatures rise. Kale that becomes indestructible. January, kale develops thicker leaves and stronger stems because cold stimulates protective compounds. This makes plants more resistant to pests and heat later. Kale planted now often outproduces spring plantings by double. Cabbage that forms tighter heads. Early cabbage invests heavily in root mass, leading to firm, compact heads later. January planting also spaces out growth naturally, reducing splitting and disease. These heads store longer and hold structure after harvest. Carrots that grow straight and sweet. Carrots planted in January germinate slowly but develop long, straight roots. Cold soil reduces forking because growth remains steady. Flavor improves because sugars accumulate more gradually. Beets that mature evenly. Beets benefit from cool soil because root and leaf growth remain balanced. January planting produces uniform roots instead of oversized tops with weak bulbs. These beets store better and maintain texture. Turnips that avoid bitterness. Turnips grown in cool conditions develop clean flavor and tender flesh. January planting prevents the woody texture caused by heat stress. Leaves remain usable longer as well. Lettuce that keeps producing. Lettuce planted now grows compact and dense. Slow growth prevents bitterness and extends harvest windows. Succession planting in January ensures continuous harvest without bolting. Leeks that thicken naturally. Leeks demand long seasons. January planting gives them time to bulk slowly, producing thick white stems. Cold exposure improves flavor and reduces hollow growth. Parsnips that sweeten underground. Parsnips require cold to convert starch into sugar. January planting ensures proper development and deep root penetration. These roots improve in flavor after frost, making them ideal storage crops. Perennial herbs that never leave. Herbs like rosemary, thyme, and sage, they actually establish best in cool weather. Planting in January, well, it allows roots to anchor before the heat arrives. And once established, these herbs will produce for years with, honestly, minimal care. Why do these crops reduce store dependency? These crops, they overlap harvest windows, store well, and provide calories, nutrients, and flavor. They really reduce the need for constant replanting and constant buying. Food independence, it's not about growing everything. It's about growing the right things at the right time. Soil preparation that multiplies success. January soil should be moist, loose, and covered. Mulching, it stabilizes temperature and protects microbial life. No complex amendments are needed. Healthy soil biology, it just activates naturally in cool conditions. Watering strategy for winter planting. Water deeply but infrequently. Cold soil retains moisture longer. Overwatering causes rot and stagnation. Roots should search downward, not sit in saturation. The mindset that makes January powerful. Most gardeners chase growth. January growers build systems. They plant when conditions favor roots, not leaves. That patience pays dividends all year. Why Nature's Blueprint emphasizes timing over effort. Because timing multiplies results without adding work. The right crop at the right moment eliminates half the problems gardeners fight later. If this changed how you see January gardening, subscribe to Nature's Blueprint, share this with anyone tired of relying on stores, and help bring back planting strategies that actually feed families year-round.